What's going on, guys? Mantas here, and today we're looking for a fast, good WordPress theme. As you know, Google judges now websites according to their loading speed, and especially on mobile devices. Time actually matters, and this impacts user experience. In order to start testing any website, I just didn't want to use any caching plugins, any CDNs on the top of that. I literally just disabled everything I can, and this is my test. I got one test website which is kinda was live and now a little bit abandoned, which sits on a shared hosting, which is slow, obviously. I'm gonna use this in my presentation, in my today's presentation. You can go, if you have a WordPress website, you can go into Appearance, Themes, and you can look for popular themes on WordPress repository, which are, many of them are free. So that's what I did. I just installed one after another themes and just tested them. For testing, don't use GTmetrix as many people refer to, because GTmetrix using Chrome desktop version. That means every single time you test a website, it will be shown for a desktop device. And now we are analyzing our site. I just need to wait a minute. I wanted to finish. Alright, as you can see, it shows using Chrome desktop. So guys, don't use GTmetrix as a source to measure speed. Rather use Google Lighthouse. Just go to Chrome Store extensions, let's see, and pick the first result. Go to Lighthouse, and the first result is the one you need. Install this extension, and you will see a small lighthouse icon on the top. Every time you visit any page, your own website or your competitor's website, you can click that small lighthouse icon and the test will start. Here's my website, which is using now my WordPress theme 2016, and I've tried many of them already. So just for the sake of example, I'm gonna run a test and generate report, lighthouse report. So first of all, for a test, you have to disable all caching plugins, all CDNs like Cloudflare, because they're like caching your files and the test will not be proper. And in this way, we just pulling out all the data directly from the server. This test is kinda better, and our lighthouse test results is ready. So as you can see, our website speed index is 8.1 and time to be interactive is 6.4 seconds, and speed index is 8.1. Performance is only 57. Best practice is 87, and you can go and look what are the problems. Now we're gonna change that theme, and I just highly suggest you to go and try this theme I'm gonna show you. So if we're gonna go to themes and generate press, I'm gonna activate that, and now we're gonna go back and refresh our website. Now we're gonna run another test. And why did I pick only this theme and I recommend it to you? That's because it's using fonts as a system stack fonts, which you don't need to load from Google fonts, from Google library online. Yes, you can do some modifications and load it locally from your server, but it needs modifications. And another reason, it's got clear code and it's lightweight. And this is very important because website is not bloated code and it can load fast. Basically, not many of these themes got like designs if you go through the generate press, all the library, there are designs ready for you already, so you can pick any of them and just modify your text, your homepage text. And this is, in my opinion, very important, because I'm not professional designer and I really don't know which elements could look better on a site. These templates are ready to use and you can pick any of them, and as a demo you can preview how it's gonna look. Let's see, this one can preview that and how my website can look now. Also, there is a community which can answer all of your questions. So if you go to like a help support forum, you can obviously give a support ticket to the owners of that theme, but there are support forums which helps you sort the problems which are in your way. This is really a big plus for it. So probably my test is finished, and as you can see, 69, 193, 92, website first contentful page 3.7, time to be interactive 4.4, speed index 6.8, and we can compare that to previous test. So it's from speed index from 8.1 to 6.8. And if you want to go further and you want to optimize your whole website, so I wrote a blog post about that, how to fix your core web vitals for your WordPress blog or website. So you can go through all my like case study, how I optimized one of my websites, how I optimized my images, and everything else. So be sure to check that out. So if you want really fast WordPress theme, I highly suggest you to try GeneratePress. So please click the link below this video to support the channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I will talk to you soon. Cheers!